What's going on, y'all? I want to show you the earnings. Well, not definitely the earnings. I want to show you every time I cashed out so you can notice the payment proof. Now, I told y'all I made a video. Well, I made a video earlier, and I told y'all that I wasn't going to pull out, but I ended up pulling out. I don't know why I say 8, 5, 18. Maybe I guess this one of them overseas apps where some other, some other country where it's, the 5th right now. But anyway, we all know it's the 4th, and this don't pay instantly, but it pays today, because it's Saturday and I got it. Normally, certain apps don't pay you the same day. Some pay you instantly, like QMe. I had that below the description. But as you can see, that's real, right? So remember that. It's supposed to be the 4th. But hold on. But it says the 5th. So you see that right there, the last one. So it got sent over. Alright, that's that $2.50 right there. $2.50. Okay. Alright. I don't know what else to tell you guys. It's real. It's not fake. It's real proof. I'm gonna be pulling out more. Just right now, I needed that. It's the weekend, and I wanted to pull out some money. It is what it is. It's what I wanted to do. And for some reason, saying 5 something over there, but knowing that's not what it is. But as you can see, $2.50 was sent. That's who was paid by. And it's real money, man. I couldn't make this up, even if I wanted to. You see it. So if Cash Pirate don't pay, then I don't know who pay, because I don't know. So it's free money, no money out of my pocket. It's free money, no money out your pocket. Come join me. All you have to do, literally, that's all you have to do. Refer people and do this. Unless you want to do more, just download these apps in this area where where you're in overview, or go here and do one of these 3. I mainly do the overview, and I just let my referrals build up, and I sit back and relax. But sometimes there and out there, come back here and grind. Excuse me. But yeah, it's the payment proof, guys. Free money, no money out your pocket. It really pays. Let's get it.